So now what we're gonna do is to put a small amount of glue on here, and this one is to put direct water on top and check out what type of reactions we have and see underneath my microscope how it looks like, so you have a better understanding of why a client should stay away from water the first 24 hours. So we shake the glue again. To make sure that all the ingredient is mixed nicely, fruitfully inside our glue, and we'll place it here. We're gonna measure the diameter of the glue. This glue is around, it's between 3 and 4 millimeters. I have a glass here with some water inside, and I took some water here so you can see, and I will just put straight on top, and we're gonna check here what is going on. This is almost, it's transparent, almost impossible to see what happened, so I'm gonna place one piece of eyelashes inside so we can follow up. Let's try to magnify it at 4 times. Yeah. Here we go. So let's check out. This is our glue that we just apply water directly on top of it, and I place a piece of eyelashes inside, and obviously the glue is already dried, almost dried. Let's check out. The water make the glue to bubble out, and there's a, I can show you here, has bubbled out. Can check. Yes. So this is how the glue looks like when you place water on top, and it has dried obviously straight after. This is the structure of the glue underneath the microscope. I'm gonna try to see if I can't get a better resolution so you can follow with me. And this is actually our tape that I placed, this bubble of air that's is showing like this. The glue is here. This is our glue, and this is our eyelashes that is staying. It's a bit difficult to see through the glue with the water molecules that bubble out to look inside. But the reactions has happened straight away, and the lashes is impossible to move out. Let me show you here. It's impossible to move out of it. It is almost hard like glass, so we're gonna leave that next to our over eyelashes, and I'm gonna now show you how how the other one looks like. So I don't know if you can see anything. Yes, here we go. This is our glue. We have make experiment 30 centimeter away, and this is one is at 20 centimeter away with a nanometer. This one is at 10 centimeter away with a nanometer, and this one at 5 centimeter away, which has dry almost instantly. And this one is with water on top of it. If you notice onto our glue plates that we make the experiment, that they didn't dry at all yet, and we started the experiment like almost 30 minutes ago. Now it's already 32 minutes gone, and our eyelashes glue that we left to dry naturally is not dry yet. Why? Is because the temperature in the room is way too low, so eyelashes glue will dry slower with low temperature, because making it to dry faster when temperature is higher. That's why in summer eyelashes glue has tendency to dry faster. So but I have another piece of slide with a glue that has been left to dry naturally, and I wanted to show you how the glue looks like when it has been dry naturally underneath the microscope, and compare it with a glue that has been dry with a nanometer, so we can make a conclusions. Yes, let's check it out. Okay, this is a glue that has been dry naturally with normal temperature of around 24 degrees Celsius and humidity about 40%. I did this experiment on Saturday, and today we are Wednesday. So this is actually just the tape I've been using for making the experiment, but this is the glue. The glue is a bit difficult to show you from the camera, but the glue is more dark and evenly dry, and normally when eyelashes glue dry, they like kind of shrink from the outside to the middle. So this is what is shown onto our camera here. So the glue has been shrinking from outside to the middle. They get contracted. It does, just imagine you apply your eyelash extension, it will do the same thing. When you apply it on the surface of your eyelashes, and they're gonna shrink onto your fake lashes on top. So a lot of places say you have to apply thin layer of eyelashes glue, but actually this is wrong, because cyanoacrylates will react with any moisture anywhere, and on all surface like your table, your hair, your skin, your fingers, everywhere there is a very thin layer of moisture. When you apply thin layer of glue onto your lashes that already has a thin layer of moisture, and then you apply it on your natural lashes which already has one, what happens is your eyelashes glue start drying already from your fake lashes, and almost no glue left to connect with your natural lashes, making that the bond between the two surfaces, which is your fake lashes and your natural lashes, is not strong, and they fell faster. This is logical. So I always advise my girls to use slightly more glues than normal. They will last better. This is normal, but not too much, because too much will destroy the eyelashes, extend the natural lashes as well. There's a limit of both, like a balance for both. Yes, this is a glue that has been dry naturally, let's check out how the glue looks like when it has been dry with the nano mister, so we can make a comparison. So let me show you first. So this is how it looks like when it has been dry with the nano mister. It gets like whitish layer around because of the water molecules. So I finally adjust my camera with my computer. Now I can show you how the molecules inside the eyelashes glue has been completely dry with the nanomister. So let me show you. It's very interesting. I love this thing. Here we go. So here is the glue that has been nanomized with the water molecules, and like you can see, small molecules has been formed, and multiple of small molecules has been produced that are kind of linked almost together and by itself. And then I'm gonna just slightly bit here. This is outside the glue, and we're going a little bit inside, and this is inside. You can see the light go a little bit through, so it's look like this. Guys, this is how the glue looks like underneath the microscope when it has been dried with a nanomister. Like you can see, all the transparent area is the water molecules that has reacted with the glue, which is the black area. And this is how the molecules bond looks inside when it's done with the nanomister. So to conclude from this experiment, is that nanomizing your eyelash extension that on your clients about 30 centimeter away or 20 centimeter doesn't help the eyelashes extension to dry straight away, and using water straight after your eyelash extension will shock dry your eyelash extension. And this is why eyelash extension would not last, is because what happens when you shock dry something, the bonds is not flexible anymore. It kind of and then it breaks faster. So as soon if something dry fast, and if your client's gonna brush their lashes, it's just gonna fall off. They don't have flexibility in between the molecules because water molecules are way too much compared to cyanoacrylates molecules, like eyelashes glue molecules in that you have applied your eyelash extension with. So that's why it is best to stay from water when you just get your eyelash extension done. So yeah, this was most of it of our experiment today, to show you and say that if you want your eyelashes to last better, I believe it's better not to use the nanomister. Retention is much better if the glue is allowed to dry by itself, because they make stronger bond with the natural lashes, and that is more flexible and more durable. So check out our website on www.pnmbacademy.com. We have a much deeper details courses on chemistry behind eyelash extension, which can help you guys to understand a bit better how to use your products so that you get really good retentions, and obviously make your customer to be more happy about your treatments and boosting your business. Yeah, so I hope you like it, and if you have any question, please comment down and ask me, and I will be here to answer you. See you, bye.